You know what? You've been scammed your entire life. The scam that you would be bringing in $10,000 weekly, selling neon dog collars, or hawking virtual pails of fairy dust. But hear this. There is actually a tested way to earn money online and sell your soul to no one. Buckle up, Stickman Nation, because we're calling out the bull and giving you the real plan. Online business owners, I'm speaking directly to you. Today, we're breaking down 10 brutally honest means of making actual money online. And no, make a YouTube channel isn't the sole answer to it. If you're broke, bored, or both, this guide will take you through real, online streams of money with actual pros, cons, and results. We know how too many people are sitting around wasting time with unattainable TikTok money myths, or getting sucked into infinite get-rich-quick kind of schemes. It's time to treat the internet like what it actually is, the greatest wealth-building tool of our era. Obviously, if you use it correctly. Let's enter the Internet Money Dojo as Stickman's Wi-Fi sword is out. Let's cut through the nonsense and begin where real money starts. Not at fairy dust land, but with pay-the-bill skills. Chapter number 1. Learn a high-income skill. Forget passive income. Let's talk active first. Here's the truth. To earn money in your sleep, you first need to earn money while you're awake. This begins with a high-ticket skill such as copywriting, web design, coding, video editing, or sales funnels. People spend more time creating a LinkedIn header than learning the skills that actually could land them jobs. The solution? Choose a skill, start learning the basics, polish what you learned, move to advanced learning, and get real-world insight on these skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Reddit. Having just 1 to 2 of the skills I just told you, making $2,000 to $10,000 a month consistently is literally no big deal. It's a bumpy road, sure, I agree. But is it unattainable? Absolutely not. Now that you have a money-making skill, it's time to monetize it. And no, you don't require a suit or an impressive resume, just Wi-Fi and a freelance account. Chapter number 2. Freelance online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are not just for voiceovers that sound like robots anymore. Freelancing isn't oversaturated, only oversupplied with boilerplate bids and low-quality work. The secret to succeeding is specializing. Don't be an ordinary logo designer. Be a logo designer for small, independent fashion brands. You see the difference, don't you? Specializing earns credibility and more dough. You get to determine your own schedule, who you work with, and have the privilege to scale up from being a solo act to a full-fledged agency. Now, that's not just economic, that's personal freedom. Time trading for dollars is amazing. But what if you could duplicate effort and resell it multiple times? This brings me to the next segment. Chapter number 3. Sell digital products. To sell online, all you need is a digital product that addresses a genuine issue. You don't need a million followers to get your ball rolling, honestly. The world of digital products is remarkably vast. You can make planners, ebooks, design packs, or templates for absolutely anything. You can then sell them on Shopify, Etsy, or Gumroad. It's just profit and mailbox money while you sleep, with no inventory or shipping. Doesn't get any better than that, right? Wrong. It does. Yeah, we're talking about YouTube. Chapter number 4. Start a YouTube channel. 7-year-olds are making more money than your boss. What's your excuse? Do you think it's too late for YouTube? No. YouTube is forever changing, and anyone who can provide genuine value can fit in. Focus on a specific niche, publish frequently, make progress every week, and opt for the right strategies to expand quickly. YouTube allows you to transform it from being a mere side gig into a scalable revenue empire with tools like AdSense, affiliates, brand deals, and so much more. This brings me to the next segment on my list, something that you would have definitely heard of, but I'm sure you won't be too familiar with how it works. Don't worry, I got you. Chapter number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is amazing. If you're lazy like me or lack the skills to actually make a product by yourself that you can sell, affiliate marketing is your go-to option. It allows you to sell other people's products while you get to keep a percentage of their share. Remember those spammy Amazon links you find on people's bio on Instagram? Yeah, that's affiliate marketing. The strategies to sell differ one way or another, but it is practically the same, no matter what route you choose. You supply valuable content with affiliate links by hyperlinking it naturally. And the best part? You only need to create them once. And as other individuals do the legwork, you get real passive income each month. However, all that doesn't help if no one believes you. And that brings us to your biggest wasted asset online. You. Let me explain. Chapter number 6. Build a personal brand. You're already taking selfies. Might as well profit from your life. Choose a niche, arrive every day, and deliver value where your people are. Establish authority, increase audience, and develop momentum to sell, partner, and launch. In this modern era, attention is a currency. Never forget. And when they do trust you, guess what? They pay you to guide them. Put your expertise into an online course, and voila! Scalable income unlocked. Chapter number 7. Create an online course. Be the educator your school never had and get paid for it. We indeed downplay what we know. Your struggle, your journey, your triumphs, they're worth it. Just because you think that it ain't valuable doesn't mean it isn't. Monetize your knowledge. Build a course on platforms such as Teachable or Podia, and pilot it with a free mini course. Record once, sell a lifetime, allow others to bypass the grind. Courses are awesome, but don't forget the OG platform of passive cash flow, newsletters, and blogs. Because email equals money. Chapter number 8. Run a newsletter or blog. Unlike what people think, email is not dead. Rather, it's quietly building millionaires. Create a blog or newsletter on platforms like Beehive or Substack, and see the wonders that you can make out of it. Start by creating niche value and get compensated with subs, ads, or affiliates. Remember, evergreen content plus direct fan access equals long-term online revenue. If you like what you've seen so far, drop us a like and hit that follow button. All right, something more steady, less startup-y maybe? Say hello to remote work. The 9 to 5 minus the 9 or the office. Chapter number 9. Do remote work. Work from the beach? Perhaps. Work from bed? Absolutely. I know that you need stability but despise the cubicle. So do I. Remote work is a source of reliable income and independence of location. Utilize platforms such as We Work Remotely or Flex Jobs, or request remote conditions on your present job. Not only is it paycheck security, but it is without the office politics and pants. But if you want to marry flexibility with money flow, while getting paid to learn, working as a virtual assistant might just be your online glow-up. Chapter number 10. Become a virtual assistant. You already do 10 things a day for free. Why not get paid to do it for someone else? Virtual assistants today do far more than emails. They manage social media, repurpose content, handle research, edit podcasts, and so much more. Start by listing your skills, then focus on polishing your pitch to bag in new clients. Offer help to busy solopreneurs or creators via platforms like Belay or onlinejobs.ph. You'll get paid to learn, grow, and work on your terms, often leveling up from $15 per hour gigs to $40 per hour retainers. So you've got options, genuine ones now, but remain focused. That's what all of this actually reduces to. This brings us to our pacey TLDR segment. Let me explain like Stickman's got 5 minutes before his internet cuts out. Making money online isn't magic. It's not about one trick or one viral video. It's about stacking skills, creating value, building assets, and showing up. Don't chase trends, but build systems. Don't chase followers, but build trust. And most certainly, don't chase passive income before you've earned active income first. That's how the internet rich actually win. CTA. If you're still here, you're Stickman approved for no BS internet hustling. Hit that like button like your bank account is on the line. And don't forget to subscribe so that Stickman continues to show up with more digital money firepower. Until then, Stickman out. Peace, purpose, and PayPal notifications.